How to fix Gmail not receiving email issues. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. First you open Chrome and you search one.google.com. Once you search that, on the top left you will find these three lines. You click on that, then you click on storage. So most of the times, like you can see, I have 15 GB and out of that I have used 9.34 GB, right? So I can click on clean up space, or I can click on get more storage. And if your GB is full, that means your data is full and you'll not receive new mails because the storage is full. So you can go to your Gmail, like for example I go here Gmail. I can delete these spam, what we say, mails, spam mails. I can delete, I can empty some storage, empty spam. Now emptied it. Now if I go back here and if I refresh it, here my GB is not reduced, so I have to delete more things, right? So I can go to all inboxes, I can click on these Gmails, I can delete them. If I have any storage in my photos, I have to delete them. So if this video helped, this is how. Or you can click here clean space clearly, and once you click on that also, it will clean up all the Google photos, all the Gmails, and then you'll be able to receive the fresh Gmails or fresh mails that people are sending you. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.